One researcher says falling gasoline prices are hurting people's health by increasing the obesity rate. Less money paid for gasoline leaves more money for people to buy restaurant meals, which tend to have a lot of calories. Cheaper gasoline also means more driving and less walking to work, school, or the bus stop. Obesity raises risks for heart disease and other serious problems. A Georgia State University economics professor says about 8% of the rise in obesity between 1979 and 2004 is explained by falling gas prices during that period. That works out to millions more obese people. Professor Charles Cortemage spoke via Skype.
I was able to find that evidence of a causal link that as gas was getting cheaper, that was actually causally contributing to the rise in the obesity rate.
Other researchers found falling gasoline prices are related to a rising rate of non-fatal drunken driving crashes. Researchers at Mississippi State University found a majority of drunken driving crashes damage cars but do not result in serious injury or death. Looking at data from the state of Mississippi, changing gasoline prices had little impact on serious collisions, but a significant effect on the number of property damage-only crashes. Professor Guangqing Shi is now working at South Dakota State University.
The $1 drop, that can translate to about 100 additional drunk driving crashes.
Australian researchers found low and falling gasoline prices related to a higher death rate from road accidents. They examined price data from 144 nations, looked at other factors, and think lower prices mean people drive more and perhaps faster. These factors may raise the frequency and severity of crashes. Australian National University economics professor Paul Burke spoke via Skype.
We find that when the petrol price, gasoline price, goes down by about 10%, then on average, in the long run, the number of road deaths goes up by about 4%.
Research shows road crashes kill 1.3 million people and injure another 50 million each year around the world. That toll is expected to rise as growing wealth in developing nations means more people can afford cars. Professor Burke says raising fuel prices by ending subsidies could save 35,000 lives a year, and raising taxes on unsubsidized gasoline could save many more. Jim Randle, VOA News, Washington.